Vince Harder's used to the limelight. His CV includes playing Simba in the Australian stage version of The Lion King and third place in that country's X Factor talent show. Add to that his own tours, collaboration and albums, and he's seen it all. But he was still excited when asked to judge on Popstars.
Oh man, it's actually quite surreal, eh? Like being asked to be a part of a show that, basically started it all. This was the very first show that started all those pop show formats, And I remember the show being on television. They were looking for a girl group, putting auditions out. And I remember being like, oh man, I wish they did this for a boy band. Because, that year, I think for me, I was studying and I was trying to, get into music myself. So being asked to do the show, I was kind of like taken back and going, wow, what do I have to offer? Like as a mentor and as a judge, like just kind of questioning myself, Do I even have enough experience to share with these kids? And I kind of found quickly that, wow, I've done a lot of stuff. I've, been through a lot in the industry. And so I kind of took it as a sign like, yeah, I think I'm ready to, to help, the next wave, the next generation of artists in New Zealand.
And it's that experience that's been a valuable asset to the current version of Popstars, a show he admits is slightly different from the one which aired back in April of 1999.
There's a lot of differences. First up, the show that we're doing now is we're looking for an act, an artist, a group, duo. So there's a huge difference there. But I think even in the way that it's shot, we wanted to keep the authenticity of the vibe of being in a gig, the vibe of being in the setting of creating a song. And that's what we wanted to kind of create, with the show.
Being the only judge of Polynesian descent while working with music legends Nathan King and Kimbra has been rewarding for Vince. He also says he likes to allow contestants to believe in their own narratives.
We're different, but we're the same, like in that we share the same, passion and that we want these guys to succeed. So I think for me, being Samoan, I think it's important to know who you are, where you're from. And I just try to share with these guys that, they've got a story, they've got something to share, and sharing their story and their journey is authentic to them, and that they can actually take that and weave that through their music.
And so the only thing left to ask, do we have any hints about who might make the finals in Popstars?
Who's gonna make the finals, man? I would just say just keep watching, because it's an exciting ride. It's gonna be awesome.